Whenever I tried to solve any coding questions or any DSC questions, I was not able to build the logics. But after joining the 10x Academy, I'm not only able to build the logics, but I'm able to build the multiple logics for a single question. So, hi everyone, my name is Sahil Natkar. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I did my graduation in civil engineering from Rashtra Sant Tukaji Maharaj University. I passed out in 2021. My hobbies are playing cricket and gardening. Before joining 10x Academy, whenever I tried to solve any coding questions or any DSC questions, I was not able to build the logics. But after joining the 10x Academy, I'm not only able to build the logics, but I'm able to build the multiple logics for a single question. So when I was decided to switch my career towards IT field, so I was searching for the platforms. One of my childhood friends suggested me about 10x Academy. So after that, I did some research about 10x Academy, and I found that a lot of curriculums are happening in 10x Academy. And I attend one 2 days of pre-bootcamp, and after attending that pre-bootcamp, I attracted towards 10x Academy. So after that, I decided to join 10x Academy. So whenever I got stuck on any DSA problem or any web technologies, they provide me one-on-one mentorships, or they provides me mentors also. So they helps me a lot. Even they arrange meet with mentors, so it helps me a lot during bootcamp. Before joining the 10x Academy, I was not able to speak English very fluently. But after joining 10x Academy, there are a lot of curriculums from which I'm able to speak English very fluently. But not only English, they arrange a lot of curriculums like one-on-one mentor sessions. In those sessions, we have to directly talk with mentors. So yeah, one-on-one sessions helps me a lot by reducing my shyness nature. And whenever I got stuck on any DSA problem or any web technologies, they're always happily ready to help me. Yeah. I think one-on-one mentor session is one of the best part of 10x Academy. Whenever I got stuck on any DSA problem, in that time they helped me a lot. And whenever I was not able to build the logic for any question, they helping me for building the logic. And during one-on-one mentor session, we have to share our screen and we have to solve any DSC questions. So they review our code, they review our question, and they suggest the best approach for doing that particular question. And if we have any doubt about any particular topic, they are always ready to help us. So mock interview helps a lot. I think this happens before our main interview. So we are going to know that how the real interviews are happening, how to communicate with our interviewer, how to explain question to the interviewer, how to come up with different test cases. I think those things we are really helps us on main interview. And talking about placement teams are giving lot of efforts for us. They are directly send our resumes to a lot of companies, and they are arranging direct meet with our interviewers. So those things will reduces our stress. The activities which are happening in 10x Academy, like group discussion sessions, one-on-one mentor sessions, mock interviews, they make us perfectly ready for our industry. And the main advantage of joining 10x Academy is we have to pay after getting placed only. So I think this is the main advantage of 10x Academy. So my overall experience was too good, and I am appreciating the 10x Academy for giving me this overall experience.